Hey guys, I'm recording this because I'm having a little bit of a hard time opening some of the titles that I download, but not all of them. So let me just show you guys real quick. I hope I'm doing something wrong, but if not, I think more than half of the titles that I download don't work on Resolve. So I go to open project, and then right here I go restore from archive. So if I go to the ones that say worked, so all of these titles I was actually able to work and they work just fine. So let's try this. And then you go here and go open. And then, if I just click it, then I can go in and edit whatever title. And it's usually, if my computer doesn't freeze. Okay. So here I can just check out whatever title this is. Um, and so that's wedding title 2, and go to master, wedding titles, and then edit, and then go to text. So bring the text up, bring the text here, and then usually I can just, scroll through it and then change it here. We're just going to use my name as an example. So go there, and then now when we go to the final composition, if I go here, then it changes it and I'm able to use the title. That's great. The problem is with a lot of these other ones. So now we're going to go project manager, restore project archive, and we're going to go to not worked. Not worked. So as you can tell, like the vast majority of the titles don't work. So when this happens, I'll bring it up and then I'll load it in and I'll click it. And the main problem tends to be right here, right? So you can see the title and it worked. And the final render will show me all the different titles, right? So let's say I wanted to do, I don't know, title 1. That's fine. So you go master, you go edit, you bring up the timeline for title 1. I understand that. Now it's here, but the text, you see how I can't edit the text? It just gives me like this text plus. So I hope it's something I'm doing wrong. I'm going to go ahead and upload this and send it to you guys. I downloaded a bunch of really cool titles and I want to be able to use them. I just can't. So I've been going through the vast majority of the different titles that I've downloaded, and here are the ones that worked. So that's literally 4. And here are the ones that didn't work. These are just the wedding ones. So 4 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So not the best percentage. So if you guys can advise on maybe I'm doing something wrong and we could still use all these, if not, let me know. And I know it's not to do with the versions because I downloaded ones from different versions, and this happens with the latest version to 18, 20, 18, 19. It has nothing to do with the versions. So please tell me if I'm doing something wrong. All right, thanks. Bye.